on, wait, you guys might recall this. So we built this in the last video, and what we're gonna be doing in this video is something totally insane with a border and everything. I can't really explain it, so yeah, I'm not qualified. Whoa! So what we gotta do right now is actually make a walnut frame for this guy, and then we're gonna do some maple inlays, but before we do that, we gotta get some walnut. Boom, guys, so we got our piece of walnut right here. What we gotta do is we gotta head over to the table saw right now and start cutting it up, so let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty guys, so we got all the walnut pieces cut up here, looking pretty nice. So this is going to be the main structure of the frame right here. So what's the next step? Man, the next step is to actually take all these pieces to the miter saw station, cut all the 45 angles, and then go to the router table and make some grooves. What I had to do was go to the table saw and actually cut the groove out in all these pieces for the frame, for the panel, because, well, I don't have a router bit small enough to cut the groove out. So I had to do 2 passes on the table saw for the thickness of that panel. So what I have to do now is actually fit up that entire panel with the walnut pieces, make sure they're perfect, and then once all the pieces are perfect and cut, I'm going to be taking them to the router table and cutting inlay lines. So here we go. So we got all of our rock maple pieces cut right there. As you can see, they're super tiny. And so what we're gonna be doing now is go ahead and just trim them down to size so that way we can fit them inside there, right? Man, that's what we're doing, and we gotta make sure they're perfect. Okay, so we got those rock maple inlays all installed right here, looking really nice. It was definitely a tedious process to try to make sure we got those sizes correct and fit in there perfectly, but couldn't be happier with those results. We did sand it all down so that way there would be nothing left over on top, so everything is good to go there. So what we're doing now is we're installing this really beefy hardware, and those are soft closers, right? Yes, sir. So we're gonna be using this little jig right here to cut out the hole and get them installed.
So we have all of our hardware installed right now, but what we have to do is we gotta clean up this big mess so that way we can put the edit station on here, and you know what, let's just do it. Whoa, so that was awesome, but you might notice the edit station's a little bit tall, so 1 second. Whoa, guys, that is looking proper right there. So what we gotta do is we gotta figure out how we're going to install that. I mean, really, it's just hinges. It's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward, but maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna start working on it.
Wait! We gotta put some finish on it!
Alrighty guys, so if you haven't guessed it already, we're at the conclusion of the video, but this thing turned out absolutely insane. You can see those inlays right there.
Man, dude, those inlays are absolutely perfect.
Yeah, they are. It turned out really, really nice. We were thinking about putting a knob on there, but we really don't want to.
No handle, it doesn't need it. I mean, it's gonna be kind of a pain to open it, but not really. But
just like that, guys, I think this is it. We gotta get to the next part of the build.
Next part of the build, and man, I think it's gonna be epic.
So be sure to hit that subscribe button.
Smash it!
And drop a like down this video if you enjoyed it.
And hit the bell!
And just like that,
this video's over.